The Escalade, which represents the brand's perspective on American luxury, was presented by Cadillac in 2020. Immediately following this significant event, speculations regarding an apparently ready all-electric version of the premium SUV started to circulate on the internet. Americans continued to take this chance and displayed a Cadillac Escalade IQ. The design of the electric Escalade is entirely distinct. It combines features from the ultra-luxurious Celastiq and the little Lyriq crossover. Everything begins with a sizable crystal cap that imitates the grille and is flanked by a vertical cluster of headlights, which is a common design element on all electric Cadillacs. The stern with separate rear optics appears unusual, yet the car needs this design for the greatest aerodynamics. For this reason, the electric vehicle gets a lower active diffuser flush with the body and has 24-inch aerodynamically efficient glass with a drag coefficient of just 0.31. Backlighting is in style right now, and the novelty has more than enough of it. All door handles, the company logo outside and inside, and all the doors are powered by electricity. All the doors can be opened with a key fob or a smartphone, and the driver's seat can automatically rise as the owner approaches the vehicle. Also, the electric car can be equipped with an electric trunk luggage hatch, charging jack, and even the front trunk lid. By the way, its volume is 345 liters. The company offers 2 exterior trim options to choose from: luxury with polished aluminum elements and sport with black metal trim. The interior is even better. The novelty was able to fit 3 rows of seats, and you can also order an option with separate second-row seats with a central console, where the tables are hidden, as well as a command center that is located there and allows you to control the temperature, acoustics, heated ventilation, and massage of the same seats, as well as 2 diagonal displays. The front row's enormous, curved multimedia panel, which has a diagonal measurement of 55 inches, is the most remarkable. The electric vehicle also has a surround view camera, a single pedal control system, and semi-autonomous Super Cruise technology. In general, the interior leaves positive emotions, starting from the finishing of expensive leather and wooden inserts with laser engraving and ending with speakers built into the headrests and a large trunk of 1958 liters. Cadillac Escalade IQ is built on a platform focused solely on electric vehicles. It is about the Alteam platform. Thanks to her novelty is built on 800-volt architecture. Escalade IQ is able to just 10 minutes to replenish enough charge to travel 161 kilometers. And if the 200-kilowatt battery is charged 100%, it will be enough to drive 724 kilometers. That's more than the Mercedes EQS SUV, which is considered a direct competitor to the new car. As you may have predicted, this battery was taken from the electric Hummer. The twin-engine powertrain was also taken from the same source, but it was damaged, and it is being used in the electric Escalade to provide 689 horsepower and 834 newton-meters of torque. The transmission may briefly create 760 horsepower and an astonishing 1063 newton-meters of torque if you switch on the Velocity Max setting. Despite the fact that the corporation does not publicly disclose its dynamic qualities, it is known that the first 100 Escalades will arrive in less than 5 seconds and have adequate power to haul a load weighing 3,629 kilograms. Escalade IQ comes standard with a magnetic control system that can lower the car by up to 5 centimeters and raise it by up to 2.5 centimeters. There is also a mode called low ride control that enables the novelty to move at low speeds when the suspension is fully lowered. The Escalade's 4-wheel drive technology, which allows for diagonal movement and 360-degree turns, will most likely entertain its owners. In addition, the car may act as a battery station for your home and provide chargeback, which can be quite helpful. Now let's summarize. Cadillac requests the Escalade at a price of $130,000. IQ, only the Mercedes EQS SUV, can compete with Cadillac in this segment, and not everyone will agree with the German philosophy of the automobile. Americans offer a luxurious, very powerful, and most importantly, long-range electric car capable of not just competing with the Germans on equal terms, but literally giving them a noble rag. Only the following year will the model be sold.